Hello everyone, in this video we have been given A divided by B equal B divided by C equal C divided by A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, C not equal to 0. Now we are going to find the value of 9A plus B minus C divided by 3A minus B plus C. Answer. Let A divided by B equal B divided by C equal C divided by A equal K. Then A divided by B equal K. A equal BK. B divided by C equal K. Then B equal CK. C divided by A equal K. Then C equal AK. Multiplying A, B and C, then we get A into B into C equal BK into CK into AK. Then A, B, C equal ABC into K cube. Then K cube equal ABC divided by ABC. Then K cube equal 1. Then K equal 1. A equal BK equal B into 1. Then equal B. Then A equal B. B equal CK equal C into 1 equal C. Then B equal C. C equal AK. C equal A into 1 equal A. Then C equal A. A equal B. B equal C. C equal A. Then A equal B equal C. Now 9A plus B minus C divided by 3A minus B plus C equal 9A plus B equal A minus C equal A divided by 3A minus B equal A plus C equal A. Then equal 10A minus A divided by 4A minus A. Then equal 9A divided by 3A equal 3. Thus, our answer 9A plus B minus C divided by 3A minus B plus C equal 3.